If you think short hair limits your braid options, you haven't been paying attention to what's happening in 2026. Because the short braid space right now is producing some of the most creative, most versatile, and most stunning protective styles we've ever seen. And most women are still sleeping on them because they're stuck thinking braids have to be waist length to make a statement. They don't, not even close. What I'm about to show you is a full curated collection of short braid styles. Cornrows, bobs, freestyle patterns, creative designs that are faster to install, lighter on your scalp, easier to maintain, and honestly, turning more heads right now than a lot of the longer styles you're seeing everywhere else. And if you watched my last video about why so many black women are experiencing hair loss, you already know that tension from heavy, long braids is one of the leading causes of traction alopecia. Short braids are one of the smartest ways to protect your hair while still looking incredible. Less weight pulling on your follicles, less stress on your edges, and less time sitting in that chair during installation. Short braids aren't a compromise. By the end of this video, you'll see they're actually the upgrade. And every style I show you today is something you can screenshot and take directly to your braider. So save this video now because you're going to want to come back to it. Cornrow styles. Let's start with the foundation. Cornrows. This is the style category that's been reinvented more dramatically than any other in the last 2 years, and the creativity happening in 2026 is on another level. Classic straight backs are still timeless, clean, fast to install, low maintenance, and they work on literally every face shape. If you've never tried braids before, straight back cornrows are your entry point, and they'll still get you compliments every single day you wear them. But where cornrows are really exploding right now is in the pattern work. Feed in cornrows with creative partings, hearts, zigzags, curved lines, geometric shapes are turning heads because they transform a traditional style into wearable art. The braids themselves might be simple, but the parting design becomes the focal point. A heart-shaped parting at the crown or a zigzag pattern framing the face takes a $15 style and makes it look like a $100 custom piece. Side-swept cornrows are another 2026 standout. All the braids flowing in one direction creates an asymmetric silhouette that adds drama without adding length or weight. For women with rounder face shapes, side-swept cornrows are especially flattering because the diagonal lines create the visual illusion of elongation across the face. And the best part about cornrow styles at shorter lengths, installation time is cut dramatically. Most of these can be done in 1 to 2 hours, compared to 4 to 6 for longer braided styles. Less time in the chair means less tension being applied to your scalp over the course of the appointment. That matters more than most women realize. Module 5, how to choose for your face shape. This is where most style videos stop, and most women get stuck. You see something beautiful on someone else, and assume it'll look the same on you. But face shape changes everything about how a braid style reads visually. Let me give you the guide so you choose with confidence instead of guessing. If you have a round face, look for styles that add height or asymmetry. Cornrows that sweep upward or gather at the crown elongate the face visually. Avoid styles that add width at the cheeks. That accentuates the roundness instead of balancing it. Side-swept cornrows are your best friend because the diagonal line creates length. If you have an oval face shape, you can wear virtually any style on this list because the proportions are naturally balanced. Use that flexibility to experiment with the more creative options. Geometric patterns, combination styles, bold colors, because your face shape won't fight any of them. If you have a square jawline, curved cornrow patterns soften the angles. Avoid severe straight back styles that emphasize the width of the jaw. Bob braids that hit right at the chin work beautifully because they create a rounded frame around the lower face. And if you have a heart-shaped face, wider forehead, narrower chin, styles that add visual weight around the jaw balance the proportions. Bob braids are ideal for this. Cornrows that stay close to the head at the top and flare slightly at the nape create that same balancing effect. Itching during the first week and a healthier environment for your hair underneath the style. During wear, apply a small amount along your parts every 3 to 4 days to keep the scalp from drying out between washes. Freestyle and creative patterns. This is the section for the women who want their hair to start conversations. Freestyle braids on short hair are where artistry meets protective styling, and what braiders are creating right now is genuinely jaw-dropping. Butterfly braids adapted for shorter lengths give you the sculptural, three-dimensional look without the weight of long hanging braids. Crisscross cornrow patterns create a woven lattice-like effect across the head that looks intricate but actually installs faster than traditional straight-line cornrows because the sections are smaller and more uniform. Braided mohawks are another 2026 standout. Cornrows along the sides feeding into a raised center section that can be left as braids or unraveled into free curls at the top. The contrast between the flat braided sides and the textured center creates a silhouette that's dramatic, edgy, and completely unique to each person's head shape. And combination styles. Cornrows in the front with loose curls or twist outs in the back are bridging the gap between protective and freestyling in a way that gives you 2 different looks in one installation. Pull the front braids into a different position, and the entire style changes without your braider touching it again. If you've already screenshotted 3 styles, subscribe. Beautiful install means nothing if it falls apart in 2 weeks because the maintenance wasn't there. Here's how to make any short braid style last 4 to 6 weeks while keeping your hair healthy underneath. Nighttime protection is non-negotiable. Satin scarf or satin bonnet every single night. Cotton pillowcases create friction that fuzzes up your braids and dries out your natural hair underneath. 2 weeks of cotton and your fresh install looks like it's been in for 2 months. Sleep on satin and your braids stay smooth and neat twice as long. Scalp moisture between washes. Apply a lightweight oil along your parts every 3 to 4 days. Your scalp is covered and can't receive moisture from the air the way it normally would, so you need to deliver it intentionally. Washing while braided. Yes, you should wash. Once every week to 10 days with a diluted sulfate-free shampoo, focused on the scalp, squeezed gently through the braids, and air dried completely. Skipping washes for the entire installation period leads to buildup, itching, and follicle stress that defeats the purpose of a protective style. And here's the rule that protects your hair long term. Take your braids down at 4 to 6 weeks maximum. I know the style might still look decent at week 7 or 8, but your natural hair underneath is matting, tangling, and weakening the longer it stays braided without being fully detangled and moisturized. Pushing past 6 weeks to save money or avoid the takedown process risks the kind of breakage that shows up the moment the braids come out. Respect the timeline. Your hair will thank you at the takedown. Every style you just saw has one thing in common. It proves that short braids aren't what you settle for when you can't do long. They're what you choose when you understand that less tension, less weight, faster installation, and easier maintenance is the smarter move for your hair and your life. The women wearing these styles aren't compromising, they're optimizing. They're protecting their edges while serving looks. They're spending 2 hours in the chair instead of 6 and walking out with styles that turn just as many heads. That's not a limitation, that's a power move. And if you watched my last video about protecting your hair from traction alopecia, this video is the answer to, okay, but what do I wear instead? These styles, every one of them. Beautiful, protective, and designed to let your hair thrive underneath instead of suffering for the sake of a look. Tell me in the comments, which style number are you showing your braider? And if your braider created a short braid style that should be on this list, drop a photo in the comments because I want to see what the community is creating. Share this video with every woman in your life who's looking for her next style. This is the 2026 lookbook they need saved on their phone. Subscribe if you haven't. I cover black hair care every single week. Styles, health, maintenance, all of it for everyone. I'll catch you in the next one.